me out. I want Tiffany, I want Angel City, I want all that shit. Y'all know I be stunting. You know I'm so worthy, I want that bust down rollie. You know diamonds make me feel so horny. Bad motherfucker, I got Louis for my luggage. I need money, so I hustle. This ain't fake, watch buster. Please don't try me, I might cut you. Cash get crazy when you touch her. She wear chains when she fuck you. Get her charms, cause she lucky. Ask me out.
You wanna look like a bad and bougie female. Not the B word, female. Because this is a friendly channel.
Wifey, haters wanna fight me.
I wanna use something sticky. Something that'll make your eyeshadow stick. So let's just use one of these.
Pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be. Judging from my vibe, you can feel it in my energy. Stacking paper steadily so I can live in luxury. Looking in the mirror, I thank God for what I'm about to be.
So it has residue from earlier, but I don't care because I don't. So we're gonna go with this color right here. You see that color? Yeah, we're going with that color. And then we're going with this color. Yes. Yes.
If you with the squad, I give you my heart, little nigga, I mean it. I was fighting some demons, and the field, bitch, I'm deep in.
And then we're taking yellow. We're taking yellow as a transition color on our crease. I don't know what this is called, or brown bone. I just want it to blend. I don't want it to just be blocky.
I was raised in the deep end. I know niggas be sinking. Take your bitch and go deep in, but I give her back while you tweaking.
Hold up, wait, hold up. Stick it to the bill like where's MJ? Where's MJ? Don't come around with that weird energy, Bitch, I got that 25 carat through my paddock. I'm ecstatic. Got them blue diamonds dancing in the party, democratic. Like,
we're gonna go in golden. We're gonna go in champagne color. You're just gonna get a bunch of it. You're gonna pack it onto to the crease of your eye.
I gotta let the blicky hit you if you stroll up. Now put your hands up, it's a whole lot. Run me that money, cause I be the baddie beat. Barbie team, banging body.
Oh my god, this is such great lighting to me. Okay, we're gonna get Calabasas. Put that on our eye.
Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a Lisa, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Fives galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read.
Oh my god, I'm loving this so much. Get the Morphie palette, the 8L. 1, 2, 3, 4 highlights there. We're gonna use the highlight. This is the Morphie palette 8L. We're gonna use the highlight Supernova.
Come on. I be like, ooh, he love me, ooh, he love me.
I'm gonna use this as concealer and I'm gonna use this as foundation.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Remember the first.
Well, that took a really long time to put on my eyelashes because I was struggling. I needed help.
Nothing word to the Dalai Lama. He know I'm a fashion killer. Word to John Galliano. He cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no. I'm that bitch and he know. Like how your wife in these thoughts. You don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year. We don't get blimps for that. It's the gang still call. We don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't link chimps for that. I gave these bitches 2 years. Now your time's up. Bless her heart, she throwing shots, but every line.